Small group discussions. We've chosen the Zoom platform because it seems really stable here and really simple, and you're looking for things that are just as simple as possible for people to use. And you just sign up. There's paid accounts, but actually we're just using free ones, and we're using a different account for each small group. So a different free account for each small group, because we found that is much easier than using the breakout function of a paid account, and it's free as well. So just to say that, I won't go into those details, but just say we've set up a free account for each small group, and we found that makes the whole thing a lot simpler. So you set up an account, and then on the meetings page, you want to schedule a new meeting. That takes you to this. Then you just give it a topic name, Alpha Group 1, or Alpha Group 9 this term. Then description, you give a description if you want to give any details. Then on this, our Alpha is on the 8th of April, and our video starts at 8 o'clock. But we found that it's helpful to chat beforehand. So you want this meeting to start at 7:30. It doesn't have to, but it can do. And then give it a duration of 3-4 hours, because then you can, although we want to finish at 9:30 to honour people's time, we found that in this time of lockdown, some people have just wanted to stay on the chat and just have a bit of FaceTime afterwards, because they've just wanted to have a bit more connection. Now, the thing to say is with a free plan, the call times out every 40 minutes. But the great thing is you just click the link again, so it kicks everyone out, you click the link and you're back in. So it's not the cleanest workflow, but it is free, and it just seemed to work. Now, the next thing you want to click is reoccurring meeting. You want to make it weekly and repeat, let's say, every once a week. And we want it to carry on. Our course is 11 weeks. So we can do 11 there. Now, the great thing about that is it means everyone can use the same link. You only have to use one link for the rest of the course. And so it's really nice and simple, and you're not like ending up with different people in different rooms week to week. Now, meeting password, we've not used that because you can only get in with a link. We want video on to begin with. We want people to be able to join before the host in case you're late. Mute participants upon entry is quite good in case somebody comes in the middle of the discussion. That's quite good, and we'll talk about meeting etiquette later. And then you just press save. Now, it then creates a meeting, and it's really easy. You can then just copy this invitation, and basically that is what it's going to copy. Now, we found that we don't need all of that, so let's copy that. Let's go on to text edit. And if I just go here, so that's what you could send to people, but to be honest, they don't need to know all of that. All they really need at the basic is that Alpha Group 9 and join this Zoom here. They don't even need the meeting ID. That's actually all they need to link. And basically, the moment you put that, let me just show you actually. WhatsApp. So Kate, send this to my wife. So I click that, and basically now you've got Alpha Group 9 there. And if they click on that link, it does two things. First of all, on the desktop, it opens it up in the web browser and then says, can I open the app? And it opens the app. Every person needs the app, but it's free. I've got another meeting in progress, so it won't open at this moment. But normally it would just open the app and you're all ready to go. And on a phone, it's even simpler. It doesn't even open the web app. It just opens up, which is just really straightforward. And so that's what we do. So we then just send that meeting out to our WhatsApp group for our group 9, and we just click that and we're in, and we can have the small group discussion. And it's really straightforward.